We've got our brunoise, we've got our larger dice, we've got our julienne, and we have our batons. So from there, these can be used as your flavor base, as we were saying. What you're doing when you're cooking is you're building layers of flavor. So this is a good foundation to set your dish on. Everything else can be added to this foundation, which is known as the mirepoix. Flavor-wise, it's the way to go. So, again, let's take apart an onion. We're gonna save the skins and the first layer for stock. So, depending on where you put, how close you put your cuts together is going to determine how big your dice of your onion is. So if you want a large dice, do a few cuts in your onion. And then this is going to yield some beautiful bigger chunks. So if you're making, again, a soup that you're going to blend, or you just want to get the most flavor out of your onions, do a large dice. But if you're looking for something that, like we did with our tomato sauce, where the onions are being cooked down, let's give it tight cuts before you dice it the other way. There we go. Run our knife through there, and you can see we've got a large diced onion and then a fine diced onion, or more of a brunoise onion. So, with our tomato sauce, it's becoming thicker. The water content's being cooked out. Marco would say only cook this for 10 minutes so that you don't get an acidic tomato sauce. Well, Marco, I'm going longer, and we're gonna make sure it's not acidic. So let's clean up our mirepoix for now, and we're gonna see it soon.